Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Device integrity means the operating system and Google services meet expected security checks. Apps check Play integrity or safety net to confirm the device is unmodified and updated. When an app reports failure, it cannot verify your device state reliably. Common causes include root, unlocked bootloader, outdated Play services, or custom ROMs. This error can appear on Android 9 through Android 14 devices. I will guide you through safe, official steps to restore integrity without risking data loss. First, update Google Play services and Google Play to the latest versions from the Play Store. Next, clear cache and data for Google Play Store and Google Play services, then reboot the device. If you see a pending OS update, install it to bring system integrity forward. If your device is rooted or has an unlocked bootloader, unroot or reflash stock firmware to restore official integrity. After each step, open the affected app to check whether the error resolves. If official fixes do not resolve the issue, contact the app developer or Google Play support for guidance. Back up your data before flashing stock firmware or performing any advanced repair steps. Use a factory reset only after backing up and after trying updates and cache clearing. Ask the developer whether the app requires specific Play integrity features or device lists. Follow their instructions if they request logs or a device check. This keeps your account safe.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.